XRP, SOL nosedive 14% as crypto bulls rack $800 million liquidations. A cascade of liquidations might suggest a market turning point, where a price reversal could be imminent due to an overreaction in market sentiment. Futures tied to major tokens saw over $840 million in long liquidations in the past 24 hours as a Bitcoin, BTC, plunge led to losses among major tokens, with some falling nearly 14%. CoinGlass data shows that Bitcoin traders betting on higher prices lost over $322 million, while bets on Ether, ETH, lost nearly $290 million. Smaller alternative tokens, altcoins, recorded nearly $400 million in liquidations, with futures tracking XRP, and Solana's SOL seeing an unusually high $80 million in cumulative liquidations. BTC slid to under $77,000 in its worst start to a historically bullish month late Tuesday, with Ether, ETH, down 15% to $1,500. SOL, XRP and dogecoin, DOGE, slid as much as 15%, before slightly recovering in Asian morning hours, with BNB Chain's BNB holding relatively stronger with a 6% slide. The nosedive in majors was reflected across midcaps and smaller tokens, all showing drops of over 10 to 20% as per CoinGecko. Data shows that nearly 86% of all futures bets were bullish. Traders were positioning for higher prices in the weeks ahead on expectations that current ongoings were likely priced in and that markets could see near-term relief. A liquidation occurs when an exchange forcefully closes a trader's leveraged position due to the trader's inability to meet the margin requirements. Large-scale liquidations can indicate market extremes, like panic selling or buying. A cascade of liquidations might suggest a market turning point, where a price reversal could be imminent due to an overreaction in market sentiment. Global equities and risk assets such as Bitcoin took a hit Monday as investors continue to remain fearful of the fallout from the Trump tariffs, sending U.S. stock index futures lower by about 5% as trading resumed after the weekend. Hedge fund billionaire Bill Ackman urged the president not to go through with economic nuclear war, and instead call a timeout on Monday.